Hi everyone, welcome to Wish Problems. If you haven't subscribed to Wish Problems, subscribe now and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates and notifications. Today we will be seeing Polynomials Class 8 AM3 Emerald Package in this video. So looking at the first question, if x plus 2 is the GCD of the polynomials x minus 4 into 2x square plus x minus a and x plus 1 into 2x square plus bx minus 12, then we have to find the value of 5a minus 6b. So this is a question. What they have said is one GCD common factor they have given. So GCD means HCF, that means highest common factor. So we can, by this we can say that x minus 2 is a factor for both of them, which is x minus 4 and 2, x minus 4 first polynomial as well as the second polynomial. Then for that we have to find the value of 5a minus 6b. So let's do this. So this is the given data. One more p of x is also there, but I wrote only first one because first we have to equate this polynomial here. So we will first equate it to 0, right? Okay, then we have to find the values. Now x value, what is that? We have to see, right? First, how will you do that? It is x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? G of x. So x is equal to, this plus 2 will go to RHS and become minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. That's it. So x value is minus 2. You have to substitute this value in this p of x given. Okay, let's do that. Substituting x is equal to minus 2. Now here then it will be minus 2 minus 4 into 2 into minus 2 square minus 2x minus a. Right, this will be the equation polynomial. So this is minus 6 into minus, so this is obviously 4, right? So it is 6 minus a when you solve completely. Equal to 0 is here again, equal to 0. Now this minus 6 will send to the RHS, it becomes plus 6. Sorry, one second. So it will be minus 6. If it is going to RHS, it becomes 0 by minus 6, right? So what will happen that time is it will be 0 only, right? So 6 minus a, sorry, 6 minus a is equal to 0. Sorry, it's equal to, oh yes, now it's working. Then this minus a is equal to minus 6. So a value is going to be plus 6. A is 6. Right, now a value we found. Now we have to find the value of b. So second equation we will take now. Now this one we'll consider as g of x. So x is minus 2, right? So g of minus 2 we have to see. So it will be x is minus 2, so same thing, minus 2 plus 1, then wherever you find x put minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, then we have to simplify this. So this will become minus 1 into 2, this minus 2 square is 4, so 2 4s are 8, and to 8 minus 12 is going to be minus 4 minus 2b is equal to 0, and minus 4 minus, sorry, minus, one second, minus 4 minus 2b is equal to 0. This is continuation of the step. Okay, and then we will be having minus 4 is equal to 2b, sorry, is equal to 2b. Then b will go, this 2 will go to LHS and become minus 4 by 2, and its b value is finally minus 2. Okay, just note this down. So we found the values of both a and b. So for this, what we have to do, we have to find 5a minus 6b. So what is 5a? 5 into 6 minus 6 into minus 2. Right, so it will become 30 minus of minus 12. then it will become 30 plus 12, that is 42. Okay, answer is 42, option B. So just note it down. Now we'll look at the second question. So okay, second question. The LCM of x cube minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1. So we have to find the LCM for this. Let's do that. So while finding LCM, we will take the first one as P of x. So P of x will be x cube minus 1 and g of x. So we have to simplify this. First we'll simplify, then we'll write the g of x. Now by seeing this, we can identify it is a cube minus b cube. Here y cube is not there, means if it is there also, it is like, 1 cube is 1 only, right? So it doesn't matter that much. Sorry. So it will become that formula. According to that formula, I am writing this x minus 1. So the formula is like 1 second. It is a minus b into a square plus b a square plus ab plus b square, right? So it will be x minus 1, this is minus, okay, and x square plus x plus 1. So this is the simplest form I have written. Now we'll be looking at the g of x. It is x square plus x plus 1. So that is we can't simplify anymore. So we will find the LCM. That is x minus 1. We can write it, even though it is not common, we can take it. First common terms are these two, right? Let's write it. That is x square plus x plus 1, and this x minus 1 is left out, right? That's it. Okay, so your answer is going to be x cube minus 1. How you will be thinking? With this x cube minus 1 only we wrote like this, right? So factor is also like this. So in that way we can just do it. Okay, so answer is C. So third one says LCM of 150 into 6x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 3 whole cube and 84 into x minus 3 whole cube into 8x square plus 14x plus 5. Answer is option A. So common we found it, okay. And fourth one, if x minus k is a HCF of x square minus x minus 12 and 2x square minus k minus x, then the value of x. So here it is said that x minus k is HCF, and factors are also given for which it is the factor. We have to find the value of k. So these are the answers for 3 and 4 questions. Now we'll see the passage type questions. So next question, given data is print of you in the screen. So the question says, if HCF of polynomials P of x is equal to x minus 3 into x square plus x minus 2 and Q of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, the HCF is x minus 3 and we have to find the LCM for it. So it's easy only, we will do that. Actually there's a formula for that. What's that? First I'll say. So when you multiply these two polynomials, the product of P of x into Q of x is equal to the product of HCF of P of x and Q of x and LCM of P of x and Q of x. So the formula is P of x into Q of x is equal to LCM into HCF. So this is one of the relations which we have to know. Okay, so with this relation we will solve it. So I will write the given data first. So in the order, P of x is x minus 3 into, so x minus 3 into, no need to write into separately, into x square plus x minus 2 and Q of x is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now HCF is multiplied right here. So when you bring it to LHS, it becomes division. So let's bring the HCF down. That is x minus 3 is equal to LCM. Now here x minus 3 and x minus 3 are common. Cancel it. That's it. Now remaining these two terms are there. We have to solve these two sums now. Okay. X square plus x plus 2x minus 2 This one we have factorized here, okay? We have factorized it. Like as you know, this coefficient into x square coefficient we multiplied and we got this answer into x square minus 3x, sorry, first 2x will come, then minus 3x plus 6. So this is all basics, right? I already taught you before only in the previous videos. So that one, by that I have just factorized it here, is equal to LCM. Now just copy it, I'll rub the full board and we will continue the problem. Okay, now in that equation we will take common. So in that common is x into x minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to LCM. Okay, this is fully one step itself. This is one step only. Then what is happening here? Next we will take commons here, x minus 1 and x, sorry, I'm so sorry. Here it is x, here it is x minus 1 only, everyone, okay? X minus 1. Okay, now it will be x minus 1 will be common here into x plus 2 is remaining, we will write that there. Now again here into, here what are the common things? We have x minus 2. We will take that x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to LCM. So please note this also. I'll rub the full board again. This is one step. So I wrote the previous steps again on the start top. Only one step I wrote because it will be easy for us to understand. So this one we can multiply, right? Yeah. So we are going to do that. So x minus 1 as it is, you write, then this will become x into x square, and plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to LCM. So option is C. Okay, just note it down and mark the option. Now we'll look at the sixth question. So the question says, question given that I wrote it on the screen. Now the question says the LCM of x minus a into x minus b is x square minus 2x plus 1. Then the value of a and b we have to find it. Okay, so first we will take this LCM and we have to factorize it. How, you know how to factorize, right? Very simple only. I'll say that also. So x square, so 1 into 1 is obviously 1 because this coefficient into this one we will be getting the, we will get that factorizing part. So it will be x square minus x plus 1, right? So then afterwards you have to make common here. In this two common is x, right? So we will take x into x minus 1 minus 1 here, common is minus 1 into x minus 1. So the common will be x, we'll write it in the form of factors, x minus 1 into x minus 1. So it is in the form of like it's x minus a into x minus b, right? So what we will do, we can, this a value will be this and this b value will be that. So a is equal to 1 and b is also equal to 1. Option C, 1 and 1 comma 1. Now we'll look at the seventh question and the last question. So in this question we have these three polynomials are given. We have to find the LCM for it. Okay, let's do that. So first x square minus 10x minus 24. How we can write that? The factors for that will be x minus 4 into x minus 6, right? And for the second one it will be x minus 2 into x minus 6 and you factorize. And for the third one it will be x minus 2 into x minus 4. Then what will be the first? You take the commons. You can see x, no, nothing is common. Then too we can just write it, right? In these two terms x minus 4 is common, fine. Now I will just write once LCMs once, so just note it. I'll rub the down part. So on the top I'm writing the LCMs. So here in this 2, x minus 6 is common, right? So first we will write x minus 6, x minus 6. Then x minus 4 is common in the first and third one, x minus 4. And then write x minus 2 is common in second and third, x minus 2. That's it, over. Now option is A. Okay, with this we have completed a diamond package, emerald package. So do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Bye.